It really encouraged people to work together, to think together, to come up with solutions together.
I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very interactive. As much as some of the facilitators would have liked that there were more people, I thought the small size of it actually allowed for a lot more discussion, which I appreciated.
I like the workshop because it helped me learn about more stuff, and now that I know social media, I can find something, and it's just so fun to learn something new.